Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Venmo on your phone for contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up convenient mobile payments. Step 1. Download the Venmo app from the App Store if you have an iPhone or from Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Step 2. Open the Venmo app and tap Sign Up to create a new account. You'll need to provide your email address, phone number, and create a password. Step 3. Verify your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS to your mobile device. This step confirms your identity and secures your account. Step 4. Link a payment method to your Venmo account by adding a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Navigate to the Payment Methods section in Settings. Step 5. Verify your linked payment method by confirming small test deposits to your bank account or entering verification codes. Step 6. For contactless payments, ensure you have either the Venmo debit card or have set up Venmo with a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Step 7. If using the Venmo debit card, request one through the app and wait for it to arrive by mail. Once received, activate it through the app by entering the card details. Step 8. To use contactless payments, hold your phone near a contactless payment terminal at checkout or use the Venmo QR code at participating merchants. Authenticate the payment with Face ID, fingerprint, or your PIN. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.